Hey guys, it's Tim with LeatherSeats.com. In today's video, we're going to be going over some of the options we have for upgrading the interior in your Jeep Wrangler JL. Alright guys, today we're installing our replacement leather trimmed upholstery kit in a customer's 2019 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara. We have the seats pulled out of the vehicle and the new LeatherSeats.com upholstery is already installed on the passenger seat. We built this kit in single-tone black with perforated inserts. To highlight the unique Bikini pearl paint on this Jeep, we upgraded all of the double stitching and top stitching to a contrasting turquoise thread. Our goal with this project is to get rid of as much of the gray thread in the interior as possible. We'll be upgrading and replacing the upholstery on the center console lid, transfer case boot, shifter boot, all 4 door armrests, as well as the upper dash panel. Like most of our kits, our JL Wrangler packages include replacement covers for both the front and rear seats and are actually designed for the original upholstery to be removed before installation. As you can see, we include all of the necessary attachments, including J-clips, Velcro, and hog ring attachments. For those of you do-it-yourselfers, you will need basic hand tools as well as hog rings and hog ring pliers. We also recommend using a clothing or upholstery steamer for optimal fitment. We built this kit in our deluxe leather trim content, which is a combination of automotive grade leather and matching vinyl. We also offer our premium as well as 100% leather content upgrades. Jeep uses a low friction fabric on some sections of the interior, so to better match the factory leather upholstery, all of our JL interior kits will include a similar low friction fabric. The factory Sahara and Sport seats feature an upholstered closed back design. For these models, we do include map pockets on the back of both front buckets. We also offer kits compatible with the Rubicon models, which have a separate hard plastic shell on the back of the front seats. We also include carpeted sections to match the factory locations. We just finished installing the leather upholstery on all of the trim parts for this JL. We do consider these parts to be a relatively advanced installation. If you're planning on installing these optional trim pieces yourself, you will need to purchase upholstery spray adhesive. For the transfer case and automatic shifter boots, you'll need to transfer both of the factory plastic trim rings as well as the neck rings to the new upholstery. We do offer a standard leather center console lid cover, but for this JL interior, we're featuring our brand new wireless charging console lid cover for smartphones with wireless charging capability. If you're interested in this system, be sure to reach out to us for more information about sending in your factory console lid for installation.